Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet a ball. I'm going to be using this ball as a toy for my cat. So the first thing you'll need is yarn. I'm going to be using sports yarn, but you can use any type of yarn you want. And I'm going to use a crochet hook and a needle to weave in the ends. The first thing you need to do is a magic circle. For the first round we're going to crochet 8 half double crochets. A half double crochet is basically the same thing as a double crochet. The only difference is that you pull through all of the loops all at once. Now pause the video, and after you have crocheted 8 half double crochets, meet me back here. Okay, so now I have crocheted 8 half double crochets, and now I'm going to pull on that string and I'm going to do a slip stitch. Okay, and now we have to make a slip stitch in this stitch right here, not in the first stitch that you see, as that is the stitch for the chain one. Okay, and now we have a perfect circle. Now chain one to begin your round. For this round, we're going to increase in every stitch. So in every stitch, there are going to be 2 half double crochets. So you do the first half double crochet and then you do the second one in the same stitch. Keep on doing this until you reach the end of the round. Now you can pause the video and come back once you're done. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the end of the round. Don't forget to slip stitch in the end of each round and chain one in the beginning of each new round. For this round, the pattern is going to be 1 increase and 1 half double crochet. Remember, an increase is when you do 2 stitches in the same stitch. So you're going to do 2 half double crochets in 1 stitch, and then 1 normal half double crochet. You can now pause the video, and once you're done with the round, you can come and meet me back here to see the instructions for the next rounds. Okay, so these next 3 rounds are my favorite because there's no pattern, just half double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so now I did the 3 rounds with half double crocheting, and as you can see, we're getting a real cup shape. Now we're almost at the end of our ball. So in this round, it's going to be a little different. We're going to decrease. So first half double crochet, 1, and then now we're going to decrease. When you decrease, you get the front loop of the stitch, and then you go into the next stitch and then pull through all of the loops. So the pattern for this round is going to be 1 half double crochet, 1 decrease. So again, when you decrease, you go to the front loop of the stitch and then go to the next stitch and then pull through all of the loops. Okay, so I'll meet you back here when I'm done. Okay, so now I'm done, and as you can see, we're getting more of a ball shape now. And this is going to be the last round for our ball. For this round, the pattern is going to be all decrease. So throughout the whole round, you're just going to decrease in each stitch. So front loop, then second stitch, then go through all of the loops. And then the same thing for the next stitches. For this round, you just keep on crocheting until the hole gets too small, and then it becomes time for the stuffing. but make sure it's not way too small, as then it would be hard for you to stuff the ball. Okay, so now I feel like my hole is small enough. I'm going to get my stuffing and this cute little bell I got from a craft store. I'm going to put these in the ball. You can also get a pen to help you with this, with inserting the stuffing into the ball. And now I'm going to put the bell in the middle of the stuffing. And then put it in the ball. So this part could be kind of hard. It's really hard to insert the whole thing. So as I said before, you can use a pen to help you with this part. Yay, so our ball is becoming more ballish. Okay, so now we can continue crocheting until the hole is really small, and then we can weave in the ends. So this part is going to be really hard, but it's okay, hang in there, because the smaller the hole is, the better the result will be. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with our ball. All we need to do is weave in the ends. And now you can get some scissors to cut the yarn, and then get your needle. Now get the yarn into the needle, which I find the hardest part about crocheting. And now we can start weaving in the end. So all you have to do is weave in this way, weave in that way. Just make sure that you weave the hole in a way that the stuffing will never come out. Once you're done, cut with scissors, and now your ball is ready. Your cat is going to love this ball. Maybe even go a little crazy for it. I hope that you enjoyed making this craft and that your cat enjoys playing with it. See you in the next video.